Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and this is just a quick tip on what I want to show you guys on how I curl my hair. This is the Saga Mystic Wave in its natural form before I've done anything to it, and I'm going to show you how I put the curls in it and make it look as slayed as it always is. So first things first, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Everything I Slay. Of course, shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for everyone that's supporting, been saying nice things. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm using. It's the plugged wand, and I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to let it do what it do. So just a regular brush. Oops, that didn't come out right. It's kind of fast. Just know that you guys, if you guys use this wand, you have to be very careful. It comes with gloves, like, you know, these magic gloves that you can wear, you know, so you won't get burned. But I specifically, I'm used to it, so I don't use it per se, but I suggest you should, because you just don't know if you're gonna get burned or not. So be safe than sorry. Rather to be sorry. And of course, I use this before I even started. So I wet the hair a little bit. It's a little damp. So okay, I'm going to pause it, get it popping, and I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. Alright? Okay, so you guys, I got halfway through. Somewhat towards the back, and you know, just wanted to show y'all like how it's looking. And I got this short one. I just wanted to try it because, like, I had a bigger wand, but it was like more like ceramic, and it didn't last too long, so it kind of turned me off, and I was like, oh no, you know, I don't want to buy no more, and I'm gonna stay away from it, and so forth. But this one has been working out pretty well. I haven't had any complaints, but like I say, you have to be very careful with it. And I just have, the reason why I have this band, hold on, my baby hairs came apart clean, and when I do my makeup I can see my whole entire face. So I know in the YouTube world we have to explain so much, so that's what I'm explaining. I will show you guys the back. I will video the back as well and show you guys what it looks like. And the kind of hair that I have on, everything, the color, the brand, all that good stuff. I'll put it on the description box down below. It just gets really hot. So I would time 60 seconds in my head when I do it. Or maybe no less than a minute or two when you're putting it on. So I'm halfway done. So I've done one side, as you can see, and I'm about to do the other. And I'll be back when I am finished. So give me a little bit. Okay, I'm to the front. I have this much left. Oops. I literally got burnt on this finger, so I'm trying to be careful. Got some ice on it. Oh, come on. Of course, you could have it go the other way, but I thought it would look better this way. I guess you could roll it backwards if you want. I'll be back, guys. Okay, YouTube, I am back. I'm sorry. I just wanted to show you guys the finishing touches of my hair. So, I'm sorry, I apologize. I had to turn this off so it won't bother me again. But, okay, so here it is. That's the finishing product of the wand. And I know you guys won't be able to see it from the back. Well, you probably can through the mirror. See that? If you look closely, you see. And then on this side, pretty much the same thing. See that? So there you have it. So I'm not gonna let it out too much, just like leave it a little bouncy and give it like that pattern, you know, or whatever. And I just wanted to show you guys how pretty it is. And sometimes like you buy the hair, and I know that you guys, some of you guys will probably feel, well, there is a, now see, this part is bothering me, this part right here. I know you guys might feel like, well, there's rods out there that can do the same thing that this one will do, but I just like the wand effect. I just like the whole, you know, it's being fresh, and you know, when it's done after the heat sets in it, it's nice and fresh and stuff. And I'm not taking anything from the flex rods or anything. It's just that, I don't know, I don't mind doing the work. It doesn't bother me, so whatever. Anyways, so there you have that. So if you saw before, it was looking real dead. I'm sorry, my earrings. It was looking real dead and dull, and so I had to put some life back into it. And when I do these curls, I don't normally put any spritz or anything on it to hold it or anything like that. Like I said, the only thing that I did use was this polishing finish. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's the polishing gloss, and that's all I did to it. So, you know, comment below if you like the curls and stuff. Let me know. Clearly, I'm obsessed because I keep finding little strands. But comment below, let me know what you think. And I'm going to do 2-in-1. So I'm going to do a makeup video after this. So until next time, don't forget, subscribe, like, share my videos. So until then, I love you, appreciate the love. Always remember, be who you want to be, do what you want to do what makes you happy, love yourself. All right, YouTube, later.